Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am here with this presentation on mushroom cultivation. I will discuss about spawn technology and types of spawn. We have different types of spawn on the basis of substrate use, so I will try to cover this in this presentation. Let's start. Firstly, spawn production technology. First of all, what is spawn that we have already discussed? It is basically, we can say, seeds of mushroom. These are basically the vegetative mycelium, which are used as seed of mushroom for cultivation of the mushrooms. This word is derived from a Latin word expandere, which means to spread out. So this spawn represents the vegetative mycelium or filamentous growth of the mushroom mycelium colonized on suitable substrate. So in this case, substrates are maybe grains, agricultural waste, sawdust, or even straws or cakes on earth. These are used as seeds for cultivation of respective mushroom. तो spawn basically हम कह सकते हैं कि seeds हैं mushroom के जिन्हें हम use करते हैं mushroom की cultivation के लिए. There is another definition by Oxford Dictionary of Plant Sciences. They say that spawn is a block of manure or other suitable substrate bearing growth of mycelium used to start a new culture of mushroom. तो कोई spawn एक block है जो कि manure के ऊपर या फिर किसी और suitable substrate के ऊपर grow करता है mycelium और उससे हम use करते हैं new mushrooms की growth के लिए. The word spawn is derived from a Latin word expandere, which means to spread out. In simple words, spawn is a propagating material that we use as seeds, or we can simply seed-like structures which are used for the production of mushroom. The grain spawn technology has made possible the mushroom mycelium to grow through the compost quickly and higher mushroom production per unit area. So this is very important technology, that is the grain spawn technology. So here the grains act as source of nutrition for the growing mycelium. Next comes types of spawns. We have different types of spawns on the basis of type of mushroom that we will cultivate and type of substrate that we use. So firstly, we have natural or virgin spawn. It is the most primitive type of spawn that we use, and it was quite famous in France during the first half of 20th century. The spores here fall on the substratum and germinate, and they will form the mass of mycelium when they will fall on the suitable substrate. तो ये जो spores गिरते हैं नीचे वो germinate करते हैं, they form the mycelial mass, और उस mycelial mass को हम dig out करते हैं, and that is used as a seed or propagating material. So they form mycelial mats on the substratum under suitable conditions of the environment. The substratum along with mycelium mat is dug out and is used as spawn. So this is known as the natural or virgin spawn. Next comes flake or French spawn. Here we use the dried compost along with mushroom mycelium. This type of spawn is known as flake or French spawn. The compost bed is spawned and allowed to form dense mycelium mat on it. Then they are dried along with the mushroom mycelium. The compost along with mushroom mycelium is collected before the development of fruiting bodies, और इसे dry करते हैं and is used as spawn for seeding new compost beds. This method was also again very famous in France. Next comes brick spawn, as the name indicate. तो जो इसमें substrate है उसको हम use करते हैं brick की form में. It is in the form of brick. As the name specifies, the base material consists of horse and cow dung along with the loam soil. These material are mixed with water and compacted into brick-like blocks, और इसमें pure culture को inoculate करते हैं into the holes of these half-dried bricks. And the culture mycelium is allowed to grow, ramify, and used as spawn. This is known as brick spawn. Next comes wood chip spawn. So various hardwood are soaked into water and inoculated with the pure cultures of mushroom. तो जो wood chips हैं उन्हें use करते हैं, inoculate करते हैं उसमें mushroom के pure culture को. So we use the wood chips. These wood chips are pasteurized and used as spawn. Now, this method is used in case of lignocellulosic mushrooms. तो ऐसे mushroom जो grow करते हैं lignocellulosic environment में, means they require this sort of environment. So this type of substrate is used for those type of mushroom spawn production. Next comes straw mushroom spawn. As the name indicate, we will use the straws. So this type of spawn is made up of pasteurized straw inoculated with pure cultures. We use the straw of wheat, paddy, and any other crops. This inoculated straw is used for further settling of mushroom beds, especially in those mushrooms which are grown on the straw. Next comes sawdust spawn. So the sawdust is sterilized and inoculated with a pure culture of specific mushroom. अगेन जो ये sawdust है इसे हम यूज़ करते हैं, इसे पास्चराइज करते हैं, इनोकुलेट करते हैं इसमें मशरूम जो प्योर कल्चर है उसे, and it is used to inoculate wood logs, mushroom beds, etc. Next comes liquid spawn. Here we use either mushroom spores or are suspended. Here the mushroom spores are either suspended in the sterile water or mycelium slurry is formed and used as a spawn. तो इसमें हम जो sterilized water है उसमें spores को डालते हैं और एक slurry बनाते हैं, उसे हम यूज़ करते हैं spawn की तरह. Liquid spawn. Next comes grain spawn. So here we use the cereal grains as substrate. This type of spawn is prepared using grains of various cereals. The first grain spawn was developed by James Sinden in 1932 at the Pennsylvania State University, USA, using the rye grains. So he used the rye grains for this spawn production. So we can use the grains as substrate, and they are excellent substrates because they provide nutrition for the developing mycelium. It is the most commonly used spawn presently, especially in case of button and oyster mushroom. And this was all about for our today's discussion about mushroom cultivation technology, spawn production, and types of spawn. Hope you will get some idea from this presentation. If you have any questions, queries, and any suggestions, you can give it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.